Hey everyone, this is Dana with Creatively Creative Crochet. I just wanted to say hello. Today is Tuesday, so we're going to do Tutorial Tuesday. Now today, we're going to talk about patterns and reading them. For many of us, some of us have been taught by hand, by ourselves. Some of us have been taught by books, and many of us have been taught by YouTube. But unfortunately, when I started crocheting, there was no YouTube, so I learned by the book. So I learned to read patterns right away. And many of us do not know how to read patterns yet. So today's tutorial, we'll be talking about reading patterns. And if you want to become a great crocheter and even a designer, you'll have to know how to read them in order to create them. So again, watch this tutorial and you'll find out more. I'll be doing a pattern from Red Heart, so thank you Red Heart for this awesome pattern. Just go ahead and click the link in the description box. Download that pattern. If you want to print it out, go ahead and print it out and follow as we go along. Grab your hook, grab your yarn. Let's go ahead and get started on this awesome tutorial. Love ya.